trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right.
Alright, so this is the lip liner Trendsetter. Next I'm going to apply Venus.
It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking.
Alright guys, so I would say that Venus has a peachy tone into it. So this is Venus. It is nude, peachy pink, but it's more towards the peachy side. And it's beautiful, especially any skin tone can wear this shade. This one is the pink one, and it's called Legend.
It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on? Walk right here. Well, I'm out here. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out of here?
Next one is Savage. This is one of my favorites.
Save the world. I'm up all night. Keep talking, yeah. Worried that I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I?
And then the last one is Billionaire. This one is the darkest one.
And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me. Ooh, baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you.
Alright guys, so those are the swatches. This one is the new Venus. This one is the old Venus. The new Venus is more peachy and the old Venus is more pinky. This one is a new color, Legend. I compared that with Trophy Wife and Bombshell. A new color, Savage, and I compared it with Trendsetter. This one is a new color as well. This one is Billionaire and Vixen. Vixen is more reddish. Billionaire is more brownish. Alright, so these are all the 4 colors, including in the Haze Liquid Matte Minis.
For the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again. You and me. You and me. Baby, you and me.
Alright, so that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messy.